70 years ago, the Chinese Communist Party compromised Uyghurs' self governance, cultural preservation, and equality with the creation of the so called Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Now, as Xi Jinping marks this anniversary, Uyghurs face an active, full-fledged genocide. Nothing could be further from that promise. Beijing uses such anniversaries to rewrite history and whitewash crimes, while Uyghurs endure forced assimilation, surveillance, cultural erasure, and the imprisonment. Uyghur women are sterilized, Uyghur children torn from their families, mosques destroyed, our language erased from schools, and our people forced into labor and modern slavery. Religion is criminalized. Xi Jinping's visit last week was a pure propaganda to mark atrocities and dodge accountability. No photo op can erase survivor testimony, hard evidence, or the suffering of families like mine. My sister, Dr. Gulshan Abbas, remains unjustly imprisoned. To the Chinese government, nothing you can do can erase the truth. And to the international community, do not be fooled. Stand with the Uyghur people and demand accountability. This is not only about Uyghurs anymore. It's about the future of the human rights everywhere. If the world accepts these lies, every dictatorship will believe it can act without consequences. Silence today defines the world we all live in tomorrow.